We gonna get him, Mike. It's time to get him.
We're finally back.
You guys remember this guy?
What's up, y'all?
Yo.
It's been a minute.
We don't have much time. We got to get things going. But basically, we looked at the weather today, and it called for a full send, didn't it, Mike? So it was raining all morning. Cats and dogs, thunderstorms. It just looked like crap. I wasn't gonna fish at all, but I decided, you know what? I kind of just want to go fishing. So the rain actually let up. Things are looking good. We're gonna try and catch some muskie today. I'm not gonna waste time. We're gonna get on the water and we're gonna kind of go over what we're gonna do and hopefully figure these fish out, maybe get one. And hopefully the boat runs, because I just got it back from the dealership. Well, I got it, not the dealership. What do they call it? Mechanic? Is that what it's called? Yeah, I just got the boat back from the shop because I had to get some work done on it. So hopefully that's all good to go. So this is kind of the first time we're taking the boat out this year. So should be interesting. I'm a little far away from the dock. Why didn't you tell me?
How stupid.
I know we're over here filming and like not paying attention to what we should actually be doing. You think I should try and make the leap?
Is that really worth it?
It's a lot farther than it looks. I could just readjust the boat, but no, I choose the hard way to take more time. Okay. Oh, you know what I forgot?
Don't tell me the keys.
No, I got the keys.
Oh, okay.
I forgot the freaking graph though. That's alright, we can catch muskie without a graph today. I don't know the water temperature or the depths, but we'll be alright. It's weird. I'm not used to having someone film me because I haven't had you around in so long. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna throw on a GoPro. You guys know the deal. We're gonna get to fishing. I don't know what's gonna happen today. When you guys musky fish, sometimes you really just gotta go for it. You really don't know what's gonna happen. The difference between this lake and the one that I recently fished with SB Fishing TV is the water temperature. It's drastically different. I was fishing with SB down in southern Ohio. The water was just about 60 degrees, which is that temperature that I usually look for to start getting on fish. Now we're in that like 55, 56 degree range. You have these fish that are still in their weird spawning stage. Here in Ohio, guys, these fish aren't indigenous to these lakes, and so their spawning patterns and their when they try to make babies, it don't work too well. So it tends to make these fish just really pissed off, really finicky. Sometimes they eat and sometimes they don't. It's just, you really don't know what to expect. On top of it, we've just had some crazy weather, so the water's like chocolate milk. But we're gonna throw some massive baits, hopefully get on some massive fish. I got a new net, which I'm psyched, so I hope we can use it. And I'm fishing out here with good old Mike. I haven't fished with him in a minute, dude. We haven't fished in a while, so we're gonna throw on GoPros. You know the deal. Let's catch a muskie. It's a little chocolate milky, but I can see about a foot into the water. You know, I don't think, if we do get a fish, I don't think it's going to be on a boat side or figure eight, anything along those lines. I think it's going to be out off of a tree, and I think it's just going to eat. Well, not necessarily, but they are spawning, and the warmer waters where it's shallow. So, I mean, dude, I don't know. You can also try it. Oh, do you see that?
That was a fish?
That was a muskie. Do you see that? A little baby. I hit it and it came out of the water. Its back came out of the water. Wow, I wonder if you can see that on the GoPro. Honestly, dude, pick up that other rod maybe and try throwing that spinnerbait. That's what I used at Salt Fork and got hit on it. That's that new prototype that guy sent me. Thing's actually sweet. You know, I would like to see it. Mike, we're due for a wake-up call.
I was thinking that earlier. I was like, I don't want to say it.
All right. We got to get a ski, Mike. I'm a ski. Oh, I casted that right into a tree. Oh, biscuits and gravy. Mother Oh, that.
He's in there.
Oh, son of a biscuit eating bulldog. How in the frickin' chicken did I? You guys hear my language right now? The question is, can I even get that shallow with this boat? Here we go, Mike. Oh, well, that's good. How? Teamwork makes the dream work, Mike. Oh, hold on. All right, guys, here's a little update for you. We've been fishing for what, an hour, Mike? 2 hours, hour and a half? Hour and a half. And so far, we haven't seen any action. It's probably really deep here. What's the depth?
101.
Okay, so I need to get a little bit closer to shore. I don't feel super confident fishing where we're fishing right now, but it's the only logical thing to be fishing right now. So we're gonna give it a go. Sometimes you just gotta wing it and hope maybe a big girl comes around and gives you a little scooter, you know? You can't really go wrong with fire tiger in this lake, but sometimes they just like the weird colors. Yep, chalk covered strawberry. Yep. That couldn't have went any more perfect. Whew.
Flat catch. What you need, baby?
Well, y'all want to know how the day's going. It's not going very good. So, well, let's give you this little background. To me, it doesn't matter at the end of the day. It's probably really loud because the engine's croaking. I didn't even bring my graph. If you guys can see, that's kind of an issue. So I pretty much have this, I don't know anything. I'm just guessing, honestly. I'm doing everything off of memory right now. And I'm gonna go try a little spot that I think might house some fish, but so far it's not so good. See? Oh, everybody now. Whoop! This is the spot. You see it? I'm gonna catch a muskie here because I said so. We're gonna cast around here a tidbit and hopefully catch a little stinker and call it a day. Come on, I drove an hour out here to make me happy. If there is a muskie back here, it's gonna eat this bait. Well, is that another one? Yeah, 2 of them. Dude, that's what, 5 muskrats I've seen? Dude. Oh, muskie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Little guy. That came out of nowhere. All right, coming around, ready? Don't worry about jabbing it, just put the net in right now. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, I'm pumped. Alrighty guys. Boom, baby. There we have it. Nice little guy right there. And I called it, I guess. I was like, we're gonna go back in this cove and I'm gonna catch one. And I was kind of just joking around and messing around, but hey, we got fish right here. Exactly what I was going for. It's right in the right place, and you know what? Not a big guy, but I don't care. You know, you drive an hour out here chasing these fish, the fish at 10,000 casts, you get one, it's a freaking good day. You guys can see too. Look at all the marks on that guy, probably all those spawn marks. All that awkward spawning space, so lay him down. He's probably gonna take right off. Boom, just like I said, buddy.
They got another boat.
Heck yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Boom. Alrighty guys, so we're off the water now. And we were on the water for how long, Mike? Total of
2.5 maybe?
2.5 hours, that's it? No, we got here at what?
We got out there around 5.
Around 5, and it's now like 8 o'clock. So yeah, about 3 hours, three and a half hours max. Wow, that's sweet. So we went out there, we didn't have much expectation, and you know, that was fine. You can't have a ton of expectation all the time going into musky fishing because you really never know what's gonna happen. I was not super confident because I forgot my graph at home and the water was super murky, and you know, the water temperature was a lot colder than I predicted. I thought I was gonna run into some problems there, but hey, we got a fish. And for my first musky trip of the year on my boat, we were successful. I went out with Matt and then I went out with Mike. So we're 2 for 2 on musky trips this year. So I'm pumped about that. So we are going to pack up the boat here. I got about an hour drive home, so I got some things to do. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, if you guys are new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Mike, what else?
Drop a like, drop a comment.
Drop a like, drop a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and you know the deal. We'll catch you in the next one.